The first under-16 football tournament, organised by the Darbar Shnong Umyo Mausam, was held on the 2nd of December 2024. The event was graced by the MDC of Nongkrem, Lambor Malnyang, as the chief guest. A highlight of the day was the inauguration of the football field, which was constructed under the second installment of the 15th Finance Commission United Grant for 2020-21, implemented by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The occasion was attended by members of the Darbar Shnong Umyo, local residents and other invitees, marking a significant moment for the community in promoting sports and youth engagement.
Ahmad Faibaro, ya kene Ramadan laplay menta kesngai itu sebut. Dai nak tahu kapan seluruh ya kijong badangi saudari ki perlu pergi. Baradon kano jingjia kapan jingjia apa senang kiong balung kiapun kalong kumta. Bila Bapi jangan, bapi sadi jangan, bapi sau bapi dan kita kecing kermian mana pitu jangan, ngong sim le ke bahatam. Day nama kata hak ni kepor, aku apa nong, baimat kecing i ong bro, bakayin dorbar kebadan ni, kat kayin dorbar piong ayin dorbar, kalam ketat sim. Ong ki perlok kajik i jong phei mat ya ka umyo musam kabam long e kenchu kala pa gumta ubro ong gumta ong pi i pa ma phei risong umyo musam ka dei nganlen gumna nar ba ailut ka bakwa salya shu ai kat ka badan ai ka ba piut pyong idon kam ya ka ta ka toilet ka ba kat kum ka juk menta ong sudan le belum kam. Day nama kata kati kecing long do long snam jonga bat pay kecing i jonga dum tanyo pay kalangam hadu kata kabam la shu pun batat. Bat menta kat pentigna bat ka pensisya bagi kentin di bang mga nga i igi heb kibaret day kani ka madan ka bang ai nak benda kesenong nak benda ba pinyo apat mo pay bansop igi ni uniform banyo la kai pat hak ni jaga katno kadap dari kemen bakra